And go. Metal Garage. Metal Garage. Woohoo! Hey, Jeff Beck coming to you from Metal Garage, episode 1, volume 1. Got some scooters here. Scooters.
Hey, look, it's Jeff Tech from Metal Garage.
What you doing, Ramo? How's it going, man?
Hey, everybody in Internet Land, on YouTube.
What's happening, man?
Actually, this isn't a metal garage, it's made out of wood.
It is.
Wooden garage! Hey there, Marley.
Hey, Tommy. Oh, yeah, look at
What are you guys? Holy KDX.
So, what did you do to this 2 years ago, buddy?
I called it the death machine because it almost killed me.
What happened?
I hit something, I don't know, I passed out. I got knocked clean out for like 5 minutes of this thing.
How fast were you going?
Wide open.
Nice. So you hit a rock and destroyed both rims.
Oh, they were flat. I think I busted the axle. The bars were bent. Plastic was smashed everywhere. Oh, hold on, I'm headless. Plastic was smashed everywhere. This thing was mangled. And it was kind of funny. Jeff came over and he says, I need an engine for a go-kart project. You're making a go-kart. And I said, well, I got this really nice KDX 200 two-stroke engine. The bike's thrashed, but the engine's fine. So he came and grabbed it, and well, look what happened. You restored everything. $1,800 in parts.
New front rim, new back rim, new axle, new brakes, new chain, new sprocket, new front sprocket and rear sprocket. Changed the oil. What else did I do to this thing? Oh, new handlebars. Handlebars are bent, but they're aluminum. I think they're made to bend so that you don't have to.
Oh, well, that's handy. I did bend. I got like really fucked up from that.
Right? So last time that this started was, what, 2 months ago?
Probably about a month ago.
About a month ago?
Yeah.
Fired right up?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. Got the KDX 200 here that I
Death
rebuilt.
machine. This thing almost killed me.
Hey, little dogs.
Oh yeah, the KDX death machine.
You always want to use a old battery, the stand. Works much better than a piece of wood.
Oh yeah.
So let's see, I got the choke on, battery's on.
It works.
We got a runner.
Woohoo!
Turn
The death machine.
Turn the gas back off. Right on. So that's the key. You just have to crash them every couple of years, and then I rebuild them, and they be running.
Oh yeah. That worked once anyway.
Yeah, there goes the fuel. It should. With flammable ingredients involved, it should fire right up. Watch this. That one down.
Nice.
So yeah, I rebuilt this one a couple of months ago, 2-3 months ago. But now we got a surprise in the back. Isn't that cool?
1979 Yamaha QT50. Crazy. I bought that for $75. Wow. Remember that thing, Jeff? You rode that thing on the other property?
Oh yeah, Michelle rode this one.
Yeah, so same with the mini trails. I got pictures of me and Youngblood on this thing when Michael's like 1 and 2 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are cool.
This one, the starter is foobar.
Oh no.
It's broken off and it's stripped down on the down here yonder. But this one kicks over. Compression, hear that?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I can get both of these running.
Well, you know what I've seen? They have these things called a Lycan engine, and you can just drop them in. Cool.
The Lycan engine, yeah, those are real. That's a real popular.
Yeah, they're a knockoff of the Z50.
Wow.
So you just throw that in there and
But these
power the bikes.
old Hondas they're workhorses. They run forever. So
You know what? I remember having my car, and we take the handlebars.
you
And we
can
put this thing down,
fold
put
it
it in the
up.
trunk of the car, and we take it out.
Yeah,
So fun. I
it's
bought
so.
this bike here for $500.
Wow. It's
How neat is that,
For
huh?
the kids, for Rebecca and Jessica. Yeah, it's up the ride. I remember bringing it home, and Rebecca jumped on it, and she went down the alley and rode it to the fence.
Oh wow.
That's what she did. It's like, oh, cool.
But yeah,
Look at that
I
how
mean,
it collapses.
that's
You could
so
put it in the
awesome.
trunk easily.
Yeah.
Like in my old trunk, you could actually put it in there standing up and close it.
That's wicked.
It was like an Intrepid. Right?
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
that Big, like 3-body trunk, right?
Sweet.
yeah, those are neat. They're totally bone dry, both of them.
Oh, good.
So that's good. This one, I can't get the. I need like a channel lock or something to get the top off.
Cool. Yeah, this thing's actually kind of cool. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah.
Back when I was young, it was a lot more affordable to get these mini bikes and dirt bikes. They're not expensive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I love getting this stuff. Oh, there we go.
Like I see one on Craigslist. That
Got
was,
it.
1969, just like this.
Ooh.
The Z50.
Oof,
And they
the,
wanted, oh yeah, it looks like, yeah.
it's not that. It's not really that bad, really.
Could be worse. Yeah.
Could be worse. I
I
mean,
want $5,000 for this.
Yeah. Wow. They're pretty
Dry?
expensive. Some of them are, because I'm a Honda guy, right?
Yeah.
Like, I love Hondas.
yeah, me too.
Yeah. And some of them go for upwards of 5 for sure.
Oh yeah, these
Especially
things.
with the wing on it.
Yeah.
The ones with wings go more than just the H.
Really?
Yeah.
Great. Is that dry too? Or?
I can't.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how to get that out. Do you?
Just
It
pull
doesn't.
out.
Oh, you just pull it straight out. Is that why I'm not doing it right? Oh, I thought it was like stripped. Oh, there you go.
It's oil injected.
It's got a lot in there, so that's good. That's a good sign. It hasn't leaked out over the years. That's awesome.
Crazy.
Hey, you guys, that was just a teaser. I just wanted you to know I apologize. I had my head rig here with a cheap Picasso set to narrow on the aspect ratio. That's the reason you couldn't really see what I was doing, but it's great for a teaser, right? Because it teased you, you couldn't really see what I was doing. And I also apologize. I know the audio has been horrible. So I did a thing on the Jungle website and I ordered a couple lapel mics that go directly to your iBox phone computer thingy. And hopefully those will increase the audio something or another dynamics. So thanks for coming along. I really appreciate it. If you like and subscribe, I promise I will get those 3 scooters, mini bikes, whatever you want to call them, I will get those running. Thank you and welcome to Metal Garage.